Hello and welcome to HotStone Media. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change an air filter on a 5 Series BMW. First thing to do would be to open the air filter cover. It should come off easily when pulling it upwards. Once the cover is off, you should be able to see the air filter. There's a little clip you have to lift up and then turn the air filter anti-clockwise, then the whole thing should come off. Now when putting the new air filter in, you'll notice there are some hooks underneath the air filter. That's what keeps the air filter attached to the housing. Make sure the air filter sits on the housing properly and then turn it clockwise and it should hook in place. And finally, you can put the top cover back on. Line up the cover, push it in place, and you should be all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.